In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download FIFA Mobile game on Android. To do so, simply go ahead and launch open Play Store app on your Android device. Go to the search box at the top and type in FIFA Mobile and search. Once you find this application that says FIFA Football from Electronic Arts, tap on the install button and begin the downloading process. FIFA Mobile is a free-to-play soccer game for Android and iOS devices. It is developed by EA Sports. With the platform, you can build your ultimate team of soccer stars from over 600 teams and 15,000 players, including the Premier League and much more. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your Android device, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. After the app is installed, you can tap the play button and start playing FIFA Mobile right on your Android device. How you can download the FIFA Mobile game on your PC. If you are looking for a way you can get the FIFA Mobile game right on your PC, to get FIFA Mobile downloaded on your PC, first make sure that you download the BlueStacks Android emulator. Open up a web browser and type in www.bluestacks.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, go ahead and look for the version of the BlueStacks Android emulator you'd like to download and click on the link that you are looking for. The download process will begin automatically at the bottom left. Once the download is completed, click on it to install BlueStacks Android emulator for your PC. Once you are done with the installation process, click open the BlueStacks Android emulator and make sure that you log in using your Google account's credentials. After you end up in this page, click on App Store in order to open up the Play Store and get almost every application that is designed for your Android devices on your PC. Go to the search box at the top and type in FIFA Mobile and search. Once you find the FIFA Mobile application right on the display, click the install button and you'll be able to download FIFA Mobile right on your PC. You can now launch open the game anytime you want on your PC and start playing.
How to download FIFA Mobile on your mobile device. To download FIFA Mobile on your mobile device, first make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, tap open your App Store or your Play Store. Soon after you open it up, go to the search box and type in FIFA Mobile and search. You'll be able to find the FIFA Football mobile game from Electronic Arts on the display. Tap the Get button and start the downloading process on your mobile device. FIFA Mobile is a mobile game that is based on the popular FIFA soccer game. You can download the application from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch open FIFA Mobile right on your mobile device. Download the necessary data, which is an automatic process, and you'll be able to start up the game just fine. How to create a FIFA Mobile account using your mobile device. First, make sure that you've downloaded the FIFA Mobile application on your mobile devices. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for FIFA Mobile into the search box. Download this application that says FIFA Football and then tap on the open button to launch open the app.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
It'll then start downloading necessary data for the app. Now, on the next page, you'll need to select an account or link one of your Facebook account, Game Center, or sign in. From the display, select one of the login methods you'd like to play with. In my case, I'm gonna select the sign in with Apple option at the bottom and then tap continue to log into my account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up or create a new account. Simply tap on the screen to go through the tutorial and it'll show you how you can easily play the game. Simply go ahead and do as it says and select the option it locates and you'll be able to learn how you can play the game. Go through the quick tutorial and you should be able to complete the tutorial in no time. After you receive an objective, you can earn XP points and you'll be guided on further tutorials like how to pass, how to dribble, how to sprint, and much more. After you finish all of your training, claim your rewards and it'll take you to a new page where you'll need to enter your username. Remember that you'll only be able to change your username once, so make sure that you make a wise choice when it comes to creating your username. After you are done, tap continue. And that is how you'll be able to create a FIFA Mobile account with a few simple steps how you can easily log into your FIFA Mobile account. Now, let's get started. Open up your FIFA Mobile application from your app drawer and you'll end up in this login page. Here, you'll need to select an account you'd like to play with. You can either log in as a guest by selecting the guest option. If you have a Facebook account, choose the second Facebook option, and you can also log in using a game center and sign in with your Apple account. Select any one option from the display. In my case, I'm gonna choose sign in with Apple. Tap the button from the display and then follow through the prompts. It'll then take you automatically to your FIFA Mobile account with a few simple steps.
How to update FIFA Mobile application using your iPhone. If you want to update to the latest version of FIFA Mobile, or if you just don't want to miss that latest update for the app, you can simply go ahead and follow these quick steps. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and then in the search box, search for FIFA Mobile. After you find the application in the search result, tap on it to open it up. Now, if you see the open button popping up right beneath the app, it means your application is up to date. If you see an update button, simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of the FIFA Mobile application. So that is how you can easily update your application for FIFA Mobile and enjoy the latest version.
How to fix FIFA Mobile lag. If you're experiencing a lag in FIFA Mobile, then here are several steps you can take to try improve the performance and reduce lag on your mobile device. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and use a connection for better stability. Now that you have a stable internet connection, the next thing to do is to try and update the game. Go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and go to the search box and type in FIFA Mobile. Once you find the game in the search result, tap on it and look for an update button. If you don't see an update button, that means you are using the latest updated version of FIFA Mobile game on your mobile device. If you see an update button, make sure to tap on update immediately to get the latest release that comes with improved performance and bug fixes. Once you have the latest version of FIFA Mobile game, open it up and see if that fixes the issue. Also, make sure your device's operating system is up to date as well. If you're not sure, go and tap open settings from your mobile device. From the settings menu, look for the general tab and tap on it, and then find the software update button. Check for software update if it is available, and once you find it, make sure to install it on your device. Now, after the installation is completed, you might be able to fix your issue. Go and tap open FIFA Mobile app and then check if the problem is solved. If none of the above solutions work, consider reaching out to the FIFA Mobile's customer support, since they might be able to provide more specific assistance based on your device and situations. Another thing you can do is to remove any application that is cluttering your storage space on your mobile device. Go ahead and press hold the app you no longer use and then tap on remove app or delete app in order to delete the application. This will then free up storage on your mobile device, which will help you fix the lagging issue. Those were some of the fixes that can help you fix FIFA Mobile lag. How to fix FIFA Mobile stuck on loading screen. The first thing you can do is to force close the FIFA Mobile application from your iOS. Simply drag from the bottom of your main home screen and you'll be able to see several app cards. Swipe the FIFA Mobile application upwards to close it off. You can also do this for any other apps that needs closing off. After you are done with it, the next thing to do is to check your internet connection. Swipe from the top right of the screen and then this will open up your control panel. Now, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. You can also try switching between them to find the best connection for yourself. And after you do that, the next thing to do is to check for your iOS updates. Open the settings menu from the app drawer and from the settings menu scroll down and tap General. Tap on the software update button under General and check for available software updates for your iOS. If your device is up to date, you should be able to see this interface where it says iOS is up to date. But if you see a download and install button, simply tap on it to download the latest version of your iOS. Once you have the latest version, you might be able to fix your issue. In order to check that, launch open FIFA Mobile app, and you should get rid of your loading screen issue on FIFA Mobile. But if you still have trouble with it, then the next thing to do is to update your FIFA Mobile app. If you are running on the outdated version of FIFA Mobile, which might have bugs and other issues, then you won't be able to play most of the games out there. So go ahead and open up App Store, bring up the search box and type in FIFA Mobile, and check if there is an update button available right beneath or right next to the app. If you see update, tap on the update button to get the latest version of FIFA Mobile app installed on your iOS. If you see an open button, it means that your application is up to date and there is no need to be doing that right now. Once you have the latest version of your FIFA Mobile application, tap on open and launch open the game again and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the most common fixes you could try out if you are stuck on the loading screen of FIFA Mobile using your iOS. How to fix server busy issue in FIFA Mobile. If you are encountering a server busy message in FIFA Mobile, then it indicates that the game's server are currently experiencing high traffic or technical issues. Here are some troubleshooting methods you can take to resolve the issue. The first thing you can do is to check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right hand corner of the screen and make sure that you have connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. After you are, you can also try switching to a Wi-Fi network or a more stable cellular data connection, and this might help you fix the issue. The next thing to do if the problem still persists is to close and reopen the app. Simply go ahead and swipe from the bottom of your iPhone and swipe up the app card for FIFA Mobile. This will close off the application. Now, launch open FIFA Mobile again by tapping on it from the app drawer. Sometimes restarting the app can reestablish a fresh connection to the servers, and doing so might help you fix your issue. Sometimes the server congestion can vary based on the time of day. Try accessing the game during non-peak hours when fewer players are likely to be online. Also, you'll need to make sure that you have the latest version of FIFA Mobile installed on your device. Go and tap open your app store from the app drawer and then search for FIFA Mobile in the search box. Once you make your search, tap on the app and look for an update button if available. Developers often release updates to improve server stability and overall performance of the app, so try updating your application now and then to use the latest and improved version of the particular app. Once you've updated your application, you might be able to fix your issue. Simply go ahead and open up your FIFA Mobile application and check for yourself. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through server busy issue in FIFA Mobile. How to turn off auto in FIFA Mobile. First, go and tap on the settings menu at the top right hand corner from the main home page. Once you do that, you'll be able to see several options in the pop-up. Click on the pencil icon right next to Preferences, Gameplay Control, and in the Preferences tab, toggle off the button right next to Auto Pass and Shoot. Now scroll down and you can also turn off the Player Auto Switch option. Simply toggle off the button right next to Player Auto Switch, and then that way this will disable the auto mode for all the matches until you turn it on again. That is how you can easily turn off auto in FIFA Mobile. How to change FIFA Mobile graphics setting. Now, once you are in the main menu of the game, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon located at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see a graphics option. Tap on the pencil icon right next to graphic in order to open up this interface. Right next to the graphic settings, you'll be able to see several menus. Depending upon the options available, you may have a different graphic settings to choose from. Some of the common settings might include low, medium, high or ultra option at the top. Choose the setting that best suits your preference and your device's capability. And after you are done making your selection, tap on the save button at the bottom right. Once the graphic settings has changed, you will need to reboot your game to apply the changes. Tap on OK and relaunch open FIFA Mobile game on your mobile device. Now, you can simply restart the game, close off the application completely and launch it open again.
EA
You'll be able
Sports.
to change your FIFA Mobile graphics setting. How to accept friend request on FIFA Mobile. Simply open your FIFA Mobile application and make sure that you're logged into your account first. From the main home page, tap on the message icon or the mail icon at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see your friend request that you received inside your inbox. Right next to your friend request, you'll be able to see two buttons. To accept the friend request, tap on accept, or if you want to decline the friend request, tap on decline. Here, since we are trying to accept friend request in today's video, let's tap accept. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of a notification where it says you've accepted the friend invitation. Now the user will be appearing on your friend list. Simply tap on OK and then close this mailbox. Now if you go to the friends tab at the top right, you should be able to see the person added in your friend list. That is how you can easily accept friend request on FIFA Mobile. How to enter codes on FIFA Mobile. To do so, first, go ahead and open up a preferred web browser on the device that you are using. Now, go to the search box and type in origin.com and search. Also make sure that you are logged in to your origin.com account. Once you're logged into your account, scroll all the way down and look for a button that says Redeem Code and tap on it. Now, tap on the Redeem button again. Enter the product code that you received for FIFA Mobile and type it in the following text box. After you are done with it, tap the next button at the bottom right and you'll be able to enter codes on FIFA Mobile. That is how it can be done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.